If you want to learn how to make a recipe to give quick results against impotence, have strong and rigid erections, then stay with me until the end of the video. Hello my brothers, I'm Oliver, and if you still don't know me, I'm a guy known here on YouTube for helping men to cure erectile dysfunction in a natural way without needing any strong medicine. Here on the channel I always pass the best recipes to act against impotence and erectile dysfunction, and these recipes have already helped me a lot when I suffered from this problem. Now I have a question for you. How is your quarantine going? Have you ever done something new with your wife, or have you still not satisfied her in bed because of your impotence or erectile dysfunction? Look my friend, if you are not able to satisfy your woman, be very careful, because unfortunately she can look for another man to satisfy her in bed. Or if you are a single man and you are not seeing any woman because of this problem, you are wasting a lot of your life. But rest assured that today I will help you in this situation so embarrassing. This recipe that I am going to give you is very little known by people. You may not know it, so I will reveal it to you, but I already told you that it is not the definitive cure for erectile dysfunction or impotence, okay? It will help you to make your penis harder. It will help you to be able to give pleasure to your woman, but you will be dependent on this recipe. Every time you have sex you will need to eat her. But if you don't want to be dependent on any prescription or medication and want to put an end to your erectile dysfunction or impotence, I recommend that you click on the first link in the description and discover the powerful method that cured my erectile dysfunction forever. This method has been the lifeline for many men, so go to this link to get to know. Okay, let's go to the recipe. This recipe is made with easily accessible ingredients. The ingredients are: a banana, 1 cup of plain yogurt, a handful of roasted peanuts, 1/2 ripe avocado. But before going through the preparation mode, I wanted to ask you to leave your like in this video and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, so that you will always receive the best recipes that exist to combat impotence. Let's go back to our subject of homemade recipe. If you are excited to make your penis harder than a stone, this recipe here will help you stay longer like this, because no woman wants to have a guy with a soft dick in bed. You may be the most beautiful gay in the world, but if you don't satisfy the woman in bed, it won't help. She'll look for another man. Then overcome this problem, my friend. I'll tell you how to make this recipe. You will need to beat all the ingredients that I said in the blender. Then if you prefer you can add some honey, because honey is great to give you maximum erection. Drink this home remedy once a day during the morning for 7 days in a row, and you will start to feel a difference in your sex life. Okay, the flavor of this recipe is very tasty, so you will not have any difficulty drinking. Now if you don't have time to make homemade recipes, or you've tried everything and still couldn't cure this problem and want to cure erectile dysfunction once and for all, I advise you to access the first link of the description and know the method that cured me of this big problem. This method has helped thousands of men to overcome erectile dysfunction and impotence permanently and very quickly. You will not need to drink strong medications, you will not need to have expensive treatments, and you will change your sex life completely and be able to give a lot of pleasure to any woman you have sex with. Stop suffering from this problem. Do like me, put into practice everything that the method says, and end your erectile dysfunction at home without anyone knowing. Regain your self-esteem and be a powerful Superman in bed as soon as possible. Click on the link, my friend, and know the method that will change your life. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A big hug. See you.